Hi and welcome back. I've got a quick tutorial for you. It's for the Reborn 2.0 and the maze thighs, although it will work on any mod that has mod rights. So as maze allows you to modify their stuff, obviously not in the inventory, but when you res it out. But currently, if you're using PBR, now I have it on a bad wind light to show the difference here. The maze thighs will not go PBR with the rest of the body, so you have to use it in blend mode, but you can change that real quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off. You can find the add-on scripts in the free script kit at the main store. These are the maze thighs. And what we're going to do is we're going to look inside of the thighs, the contents, and we can see that it has an add-on lower script. What we're going to do is we're going to delete that one. And now it does not have that. What we're going to do is replace it with this one, the add-on material lower script 2.1. Pop that in there. I'm going to rename this with PBR on the end, and I'm going to take it back into my inventory. Now that's at the top there. And now if I switch to PBR, the legs go with. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.